Wear it, pinch it, swing it, catch it, trigger it, punch it, whip it, swish it, squeeze it. Introducing etee, the button-free VR controller. Designed to be put on in 3 seconds, etee allows anyone to dive straight into VR without thinking. Powered by patented TG0 sensor technology, it senses every finger movement, touch, proximity, pressure, and gestures. etee is more intuitive than any other clunky controllers. With gestural shortcuts built in, you will never need to worry about clicking the wrong button again. Start to play, and once you start, you won't be able to stop. etee Steam VR comes with an ultra-lightweight bespoke tracker. You can now play every game on Steam VR. It takes you away from binary button commands and brings you into a new world of gesture, grip, and touch. PC gamer? Not to worry, etee's got you covered. With smart key binding in place, 3 degree of freedom positional sensing and haptic motor embedded, every fight is more realistic, every operation more sensitive, every player more in control. We aim to build up a community of gamers, developers and artists who are passionate about immersion. We are here to help you realising your inventions with etee Dev Kit, which offers the ability to build with C++,
So how does it work? Well, sound is air movement that typically spreads as an audible wave of pressure. Headphones deliver that audible part, but you're missing out on the movement. Woojer lets you enjoy both aspects of sound. Imagine you're in a concert. standing right in front of huge speakers. That oomph you feel in your body, that's what Woojer feels like. In more technical terms, our patented oscillating frame, which we fondly call Aussie, accurately reproduces and plays frequencies up to 200 Hz, including subsonic frequencies that are below the threshold of the human ear. The frictionless motion guarantees precise harmonic reproduction and reduces distortion while remaining completely silent to the surrounding environment. In less technical terms, the dinosaur in the game is getting closer. You feel every step. You're playing a game, every explosion, every encounter, and every strike feel as if you're right there. The song goes into a killer bass riff, you'll sense every string in your bones. Put on a VR headset while wearing Woojer Edge, and immersion takes another massive leap. There are two types of devices in the Woojer Edge series. The strap is for the gamer on the go or the music lover. It has one super powerful Aussie. You can wear it in different ways and to various activities. It neatly folds into your backpack and is light enough to carry everywhere. The vest is for gaming and VR at home, and for music pros and producers who enjoy 360 degrees of immersion. It's built with 6 Aussies and delivers a crisp stereo sound. Both products have a built-in analog headphone amplifier and can connect to any mobile phone, game console, or VR headset via an audio jack or low-latency Bluetooth. So, if you want to experience sound with a device that actually makes a difference, get Woojer.